it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and welcome to the dining room. And we're in the dining room because I haven't made it upstairs yet. But I got Happy Mail. I ordered it. It's from, as you can see, Lion Brand. I know. I'm on a not buying yarn diet. I know. But even when you're on a diet, you gotta treat yourself. But I know I mentioned this already. I just happened to catch, I really try to not open the emails that I get from all the yarn stores, and I do get emails. I signed up for all the emails because I want to know all the things, except I used to want to know all the things. Now I just don't want to miss out on all the things. So that being said, I try not to open the emails, but there was one and it said something about like 70% off, and I'm like, oh wait, 70% off, I gotta check that out, because even being on a yarn diet, when you get a skinny price, you gotta buy that. So that being said, I looked and they had in there some of the Pound of Love on clearance. And I don't know that means it's discontinued, but why else would you clearance out a color that you're going to keep? I don't know. So I know that I bought two colors that one of them is my favorite of like all the kind of colors, and it's this one, Pound of Love Icicle or Creamsicle. I just love this peach color. I like all colors. I mean, I do. Purple is my very favorite, but there's not a lot of colors that I don't like. I don't like colors that look muddy. And brown is not always my favorite, but I do like browns too. I mean, I even like black. Black and gray. There's not a lot of colors that I don't like, but I really like this one. And it was on clearance, and I thought, what if they're getting rid of it and they're not going to have this colorway anymore? And I don't have any more of it. So I bought only one because it really does go far. I had one, and oh wait, I lied. I bought two. I surprised myself. I bought two. So, because it really does go far, and it's not like I'm going to make a blanket out of it. I'm probably not even a sweater, because I don't even know. Like, would that go? It kind of washes me out, right? But I love the color regardless. So I made my Ruana has a lot of that in there, and I've just used it for different stuff. But I like the color, and I don't want it to go away. And if it does go away, I don't want to not have it, at least not for a while. And then they had on their clearance also the navy blue. I don't understand why you would clear out. It's called Blue Marine. Oh no, it's called navy. Like, why would you clear navy blue? That doesn't make any sense. Why would that be on clearance? But it was. I only did buy one of those. Like, how can you not have navy blue? And you know what? To be quite honest, these colors, I really like them together. I could make a blanket out of that, without a doubt. I would really like it. Then I forgot I bought these. I bought two of these because these were also on clearance, and I thought that I only had one. And I think they really are discontinuing the Comfy Cotton. They only had a couple of colors left, and they were on clearance, and I thought I had one of the brown. I did have two. I could have gone up and looked. I bought two. I don't remember how much they were, and there's no invoice in the box. I think the Pound of Loves were regular. I think they're $14.99 now, and they're and they were on sale, I think, for $5.99 or $6.99. And I think these were I don't have any idea, to be honest. But I'm into making bags, and I like this for bags. And I started a bag for Chloe when I made her bag. I started one for her incorporating these yarns, and I didn't think she would like the colors together, so I stopped making it, and I was going to frog it, but I liked the colors that I was using. I had the cafe latte color or whatever, and the brown and the cream, and I thought maybe I'll make one for myself. And then I thought maybe Amanda would like one, because the more neutrals, you know, I think she would like. Maybe Chloe would like one in the neutrals as well. She really, really loved, if you watch that video, she really, I think it's out. It'll be out by the time you see this one for sure. She really, really, really loved her bag. So, I'm hoping that she might want another one. But even so, I might make one for myself. And I do like this yarn. And it doesn't, you know, it doesn't stretch, which is nice if you're making bags. So I bought 2 more of those. Not really apologetic, just I'm allowed to buy yarn. I mean, I put myself on the ban because I don't have a lot of room. But where I keep these yarns up on the top shelf, I can shove a couple more up there. And I'm going to make some bags, I think. So that's what we got. That's all I got for you today. Really, today I'm filming this right now on Thursday, and I'm going to see when is the last video. I think this is going to go up on Saturday, because I think I have videos coming up already filmed. I started that new job. Today was my 2nd day. I'm going to work at my old job on Tuesdays and Fridays for the most part, and this new job on Wednesdays and Thursdays. I really like it. It's in an office. You know, this is all just on a personal note. It's in an office. I haven't worked in an office. Well, I've been at the casino for 11 years since we opened. And I did a couple of years where I was trying to do some promotional product selling, and that didn't go so well for me. And then I got the job at the casino, so like I've been really out of practice with office type work, and I really am enjoying it. But man, I got to get to the eye doctor, because look at how red my eyes are. That computer is killing me. And I can't see with my glasses on. I can't see with my glasses off. Like, okay, there's a problem here. I need to get to an eye doctor. Because I need some adjustments on my glasses. But I've been needing that for a while, so I'm going to go now and rest my eyeballs and then crochet for a little bit. So I will see you guys in the next video. You have a great weekend, because like I said, I think this will come out either Friday or Saturday. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.